Okay, so what I want to do is go back to the choices on this problem. Let's say you were doing this problem and you were totally stumped. Like you just didn't know what to do. How could we tell that 1,000 seconds is not a time when they're all together? What could we do to see if they were all together at 1,000 seconds?
Well, you could look at this. You could look at the speeds of two of them.
Okay.
Because what we saw was that these two met at a time bigger than that.
That's true, but we're going to pretend here that we didn't know what to do at all. And so we didn't know they met at 1,250. So we don't know what to do at all, but we're going to check and see for 1,000. And we know now that 1,000 is not going to work, but how can we tell? What can we do to see that 1,000 is not going to be a time when they're all together?
Well, wouldn't it... Well, actually, it not being a whole number of laps wouldn't matter if they're both the same amount.
Okay.
Because it wouldn't be a whole number of laps for these two.
All right.
So, what else could you see to see that wouldn't work?
Okay, yeah. What can you do to tell that it doesn't work?
Huh. So what made 2,500 work?
Kind of pretend we don't know what we're doing here. Don't know at all. We're going to look at 1,000. What is 1,000 there?
It's 1,000 seconds.
Okay.
So you can see how many meters each person has run.
Okay, good. See, the only things we have in this problem are a 500 meter circular track, 4.4 meters per second, 4.8, 5.0 meters per second. So we have time and velocity or speed.
So, and each one would have to differ by a factor of 500.
Yeah. So how far has the 4.4 meters per second person run in 1,000 seconds?
Well, it would be 4,400.
Okay, how about the 4.8?
4,800.
Are they together?
No,
Why not?
because it doesn't differ by 500.
Right, they differ, at that point they differ by 400.
So 1,000 doesn't work.
1,000 doesn't work.
Then you can check 1,250. And you'd find that these two do work, but when you try it with the other two, it doesn't work.
It doesn't work. And it's not super hard to figure out that. And then, so you start at the lowest one, because it's asking for the first time they're together. Start at the lowest one, that doesn't work. Start at this one, the first two work, but the last one doesn't. Go to that one, and they're all together. Okay, so that would be another way you could go from there. All right?
Yep.
All right, good job, man.